Ooh, look at this nice piece of work right here. My, oh my. Just a quick update coming back from vacation, back into the car content. Raymond's getting ready to pick this thing up, and I am going to head over to Andy's because we got a little car show that we committed to, and he wants me to take the ZL1. So when I get a little bit of footage, that thing sounds super nasty. It's fun to drive, so we'll do that, go to the car show, have some fun, and start getting back to the floor of the car stuff. So yeah, that's the plan for today. We're gonna make some updates on the Camaro before we take it out to the next event. The coils need to be replaced, the seats need to be replaced, and of course he's also got the ARB bar. We're gonna be replacing the anti-roll bar to kind of get this thing tracking correctly. I think that was the issue that we were having at the track. So those three things. What else? There was something else that I'm missing. I can't remember, but a few odds and ends. But that's the major things I think we were gonna replace: seat position, coils, and the ARB bar. So stay tuned for that video. You ready?
My headphones just
All right, let's do this. Oh my God, it's like gunshots. We might get shot back at. I keep forgetting that Andy's in a 6-speed and not a turbo 400, so I'm expecting him to roll like 60 at the most. So I'm like, you know, cruising, and he's pushing me to go like 90, 100, and I just keep forgetting that he's on a 6-speed and not a turbo 400.
This bad boy
so
was just
weird.
He was just grandmaing the whole way. I'm like, get out of the way, Slowpoke Rodriguez.
Don't BS. Of course, no car show would be complete without our boy Raymond out here with the cleanest Camaro, as you guys already know. Oh my God, do you guys remember this guy? Where you been? What you been doing?
Building a truck.
Coming soon to a channel near you. Damn, dude, did you sleep at all?
No. You're gonna have to direct me out.
Direct
Look
you?
how close I am.
Oh my gosh. I got you.
I had no one to help me out. Because everyone's still asleep, you know?
Yeah, that'll happen at 3 o'clock in the morning.
crazy. When you open up the CO2, it makes a world of a difference.
Oh, he opened the CO2 up for you?
Yeah, he opened it on the way back.
Oh.
Yeah, on the way there, he did it. He's like, no, like, hold up, let me open it up real quick. That shit's great.
That was like just babying. I didn't do it.
Yeah.
And that was losing traction the whole
I bet it didn't make over 10 pounds.
No, I opened the CO2.
Still.
Yeah, but it didn't really get on.
He didn't even tell me to put my seatbelt or nothing. Just like
What
that.
seatbelt?
Yeah, what seatbelt? See, you had seatbelt?
No. Traffic, but man, this thing's a lot of fun to drive, I'll tell you that. Between this and like the C8, for example, it's a little more comfortable to drive as far as sitting and driving, but the ride, I mean, this is some sort of track package, hence the roll cage, but the ride is very, very stiff. It's bouncing pretty much everywhere I go, whereas the C8 is a nice ride. I thought it would feel more like I'm in a fishbowl. That's what they usually say about a Camaro anyways, but no, not this car. This car's been pretty fun to drive.
Oh god damn. What we got here?
There you go.
Okay. Hell
Dropped
yeah, we
off.
got it. Now I'm taking it for a ride.
Oh no. So we still have to take the F-150 and get on the highway because we were gonna do we're gonna do some roller shots, but it doesn't look like that's gonna happen now that Andy's finally back. He always has something going on that interrupts the schedule.